Bigger things, little things? What do you like to do?
I like variety. This is totally different. This is what they call template routing.
Okay.
Though I had used the template routing before
Okay.
on other projects. That wasn't new, but it requires a lot of detailed care when you're making the templates. So the most difficult part is making the template.
Making the template, I can well imagine.
Because if there's any imperfections in the template, they'll transfer to your finished piece as you wrote it.
That's it. So how long have you been doing woodworking?
Since I can remember.
Is it something that your dad had taught you?
Dad did a lot of carpentry work and had a workshop. And since I can remember, I fiddled around in there.
Yeah.
Made little things and birdhouses and whatever. And try to keep my hand in it over the years whenever there was an opportunity to have a place to work and gather tools.